Hello, my name is Paige Smith. Today I will be talking about a corporate conflict of interest. I want to start off with this story. Meet the Peterson family. They live in a small, tight-knit farming community. The mother and 2-year-old son have been having neurological issues and need the help of the largest paper in the state to raise money for the medical treatment. It is possible that the largest farm that employs most of the town has chemicals that are being released that cause these health issues. The farm employs most of the families, but could be causing long-term health issues. The largest newspaper in the state's parent company manufactures the hog food with the chemical in it. When they find out the topic of the article, they'll pull most of the funding. There are a few possible solutions. The most important thing is the Petersons get the help they need. Another solution could be talking to the paper and the parent company to convince them that covering this up would be worse in the long term. The article could be written and distributed as an independent article instead of going through the paper. What is the ethical thing to do? It is vital to weigh the different options and their outcomes. We have to address the health of the Petersons before we can address the rest of the community. The issue doesn't stop there. As the investigation continues, collecting data will be crucial. In the meantime, this is a tight-knit community. It's important to encourage the community to focus on the Petersons and their treatment and making sure that we bring them all together. The ultimate goal is to ensure the health and safety of the Petersons in this current community and time.